In today's lesson, we're just going to give a quick overview of how to display geographical areas on a map within Excel. So this could be a situation where maybe someone within your company gives you a list of data and says, hey, I need to know how many people ordered from different countries, but I don't want to see it in a number. I want to see it on a map. So Excel offers that option. So what we're going to do is we're going to use the Major League Baseball players file here, 1871 to 2022. So we've got a lot of data here. So we'll just pretend this is where people have ordered from. So what you can do is take your geographical location. So you have USA, Venezuela, Dominican Republic, Mexico. So we've got a pretty good variety here. One of the things you'll want to do is go into the first column, Control Shift down, see if you have any blanks. Sometimes you will have those. So what I will do, since I'm nowhere near halfway down, I'll just come up here and I'll tell Excel, I only want you to return stuff that has an actual value. So we're going to remove blanks. So at this point, take the very first cell, scroll down, got them all, Control C. Now what we'll want to do, I usually skip the first row, paste them, because this will be our country. Go to the second one, Control Shift down. Now you can go to Data and remove duplicates. It's going to ask where. You're saying Control A, I'm sorry, column A. Hit OK. There we go. So now let's go back up to the top. As you can see, we have country, and then we have one of each copy. Now we need to know how many of each country there were. So we're going to use the COUNTIF function. So you hit equals COUNTIF. It wants to know the range. So we go to the data set that has it, which is people in this case, column E. We're going to hit a comma. What is the criteria we're looking for? We're looking for any of them that have the US in bracket. In order to drag that all the way down, all we do is simply click back on the cell with the formula, go to the bottom right where there's a green square, hit the black cross, double click it. Now that we have all of our data, we can click in the USA one, push to the right, Control Shift down with all of our data selected. Go to Insert, go to Maps. If you do not see Maps, just click on this little recommended charts. Go to All Charts, scroll down, you should see Map somewhere in the middle. Once you do that, you'll have a map come up. You can bring it up to the top of your screen or however you want to do it. But in this case, we're just going to put it in the middle, expand it out to make it a little easier to view. And there's your data. Now you can right click on your map, right click on an actual country, hit add data labels, and now you can see where the players are from or orders were shipped, etc. with the amount, and it's a heat map. So obviously the more players, the darker, and it'll work its way down. So that's all for today's lesson. Thank you.